Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off this voice over problem in iPhone 13. How you can solve this problem if this line shows over and you can't just fix this. How you can fix it, I show you. First you have to just swipe up, like take one finger and swipe up by this, and then ask for your password like this. Tap one time to just select it and tap two times to just open this like this. Like this you can just open it, and then you have to go to the setting options like this. Tap on one time, tap on two times like this, and then you can see you have to swipe up by two fingers. If you just one time you can't just do it. Friends, you can see by swipe up and swipe by you can use three fingers to like this, three fingers. You can see this. And you can also swipe left and right by two or three fingers like this. Like this. Two settings like this. Tap two times and then swipe up by three fingers. You have to hold the screen by three fingers and then you have to swipe up like this. First hold and then up, and if you just choose it, then you can do like this. Go to accessibility like this. This white line shows that it is selected box, then tap two times like this. And friends, you can see there is a voiceover option. Click on it like this and turn it off by tap one time. You can, friends, see you can just tap one time and it is off. And if you want to just speed up the speaking rate, how can you just do it? Just turn on the voiceover and you can just increase this also. You can see and turn this off. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. Friends, you can see it is now fully in normal and you have voiceover is off. And friends, you can see you can use your phone in normal like this. You can see. Thanks for watching.